If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. This hidden gem is going viral globally and for a massive reason. See specific let completely honest finding perfect is proving to be mind-blowingly effective. The secret behind its huge popularity is simple. It looks sleek and fits perfectly into any modern setup. It brings professional level utility straight to your hands. You will absolutely love how it makes your daily routine effortless. It saves you energy, money, and unnecessary headaches from day one. It is truly a premium solution without the heavy, premium price tag. Thousands of buyers are obsessed with it before the price goes back up. If you love cool items, stick around for a moment. This hidden gem is going viral globally and for a massive reason. See specific let completely